Welcome back to Spy Garage.
As its name suggests, the 2026 Apocalypse Executive Class Motorhome is not just a leisure vehicle. Rather, it is a self-sufficient mobile fortress of the highest caliber intended for a select group of people. This potential invention goes above traditional luxury motorhomes by fusing unmatched security, exceptional durability, and custom luxury into a single, powerful platform. Even in the face of unanticipated global crises, this vehicle is designed for the most discriminating people who require complete preparation without sacrificing comfort or prestige. The Apocalypse Executive Class Motorhome would have a sleek, almost ominous appearance that is both intimidating and practical. Its exterior would be distinguished by a heavily armored and reinforced shell, perhaps made of high-strength steel and sophisticated composite materials, and built to withstand rough terrain, severe weather, and missile threats. Its all-terrain ability would be highlighted by large, sturdy tires, maybe equipped with an internal inflation mechanism and run-flat capabilities. Unmatched visibility and surveillance would be ensured by integrated, high-intensity LED lighting with thermal and infrared imaging capabilities. Although covertly included, deployable defensive systems would allude to its full protective potential. While keeping an executive presence, the overall design would be more about unwavering power and useful purpose than it would be about flashy style. The interior of the executive class would be hermetically sealed and extremely safe, revealing its true nature. At this point, the idea of a motorhome becomes a mobile command center and haven. Every surface would be made from high-end, sturdy materials, such as premium, long-lasting leathers, custom-machined metal embellishments, and bullet-resistant glass. Both luxury and functionality would be carefully considered in the layout design. In any situation, residents would be able to keep informed and connected thanks to a high-tech command center that is furnished with satellite communication, secure internet access, and extensive surveillance monitors. The living space would resemble a suite in a five-star hotel. This would include a gourmet kitchen that is set up for long-term provisioning, a luxurious bathroom with self-contained water purification and waste management systems, and a magnificent master bedroom that might have a reinforced panic room feature. Modern air filtration technology would provide defense against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear (CBRN) hazards while maintaining a sterile, breathable atmosphere. High-capacity battery banks, cutting-edge solar panels, and possibly a tiny, incredibly effective onboard generator that could run continuously would all provide power. The basic chassis and powertrain, which are probably taken from heavy-duty military or industrial systems, would be incredibly capable and provide the durability and torque required to traverse even the most difficult terrain. Despite the vehicle's heavy weight and robust exterior, sophisticated suspension technologies would provide an exceptionally smooth ride. The 2026 Apocalypse Executive Class Motorhome is essentially a daring vision of uncompromising luxury and maximum readiness. It is intended for people who see a time when security, independence, and unwavering comfort are not only desired but also essential, all housed in the most powerful and upscale transportable setting ever imagined.